Buying index funds on Wealthsimple is easy and straightforward. Wealthsimple offers Wealthsimple Trade for self-directed investing and Wealthsimple Invest, a robo-advisor that automatically invests in diversified portfolios, including index funds. Here's how you can buy index funds. Wealthsimple Trade. Log in or sign up. Visit the Wealthsimple app or website and sign up for Wealthsimple Trade, or log in if you have an account. Fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer funds to your Wealthsimple Trade account. Search for an index fund. In the search bar, type the name of the index fund ETF. Buy the ETF. Click on the ETF you want to purchase, select buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, and confirm the trade. There are no commission fees for trades on Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple Invest. Sign up or log into Wealthsimple Invest. Answer a questionnaire to determine your risk profile. Automatic index fund investment. Wealthsimple will automatically build a diversified portfolio for you, which includes index fund ETFs. You can set up automatic deposits and let the robo-advisor manage everything.